Do you find yourself scrolling through social media and seeing all these amazing renders and asking yourself, how can I make incredible work like that? Do I just need to buy that same render engine the artist is using? The answer is yes. Yes, it's that easy. Just kidding. Of course, the answer is no. If you don't know how to light a scene properly, or if you can't create a dynamic composition, direct purposeful camera moves, or tell a compelling story, the render engine won't matter at all, because it's not about how good the render engine is. It's about how good the artist is. That's why we created Lights Camera Render. This course will teach you all the invaluable skills that make up the core of cinematography that will propel your career to the next level. Teaching concepts like lighting, camera movement, and how to develop your eye to think more like a digital director of photography. Lights Camera Render is an in-depth advanced course that will not only teach you how to create a high-end professional render every time by mastering cinematic concepts, it'll introduce you to valuable assets, tools, and best practices that are critical to creating stunning work that will wow your clients. And because high-quality renders require high-quality assets, every student who signs up for Lights Camera Render will be provided with a massive collection of over 1,000 high-quality professional assets from sites like Kitbash 3D, the Pixel Lab, Real Displacement Textures, and from artists like Travis Davids and the French Monkey to use throughout the class to complete your work. As an added bonus, we created our very own Cyberpunk asset pack that you can use for the class and in your personal and commercial work. We take learning to the next level with our own custom learning platform. Lights Camera Render comes with hours of in-depth lessons, assignments, and professional teaching assistants helping you to get the most out of your learning experience. But that's not all. We have PDF guides full of helpful resources, an exclusive podcast show featuring the very best minds in the industry. School of Motion courses are more than homework. For one of our amazing teaching assistants will give you critiques on your work and be there to answer any questions so that you're not learning alone. This course will teach you the fundamental skills you need to be a successful 3D artist and gain insight into how I work and what it takes to work for the biggest brands and celebrities in the world. This course is meant for those of you that have a few years of using Cinema 4D under your belt and feel comfortable using Octane Render and want to take your skills to the next level. Since this is an advanced level Cinema 4D course, you need to have access to Cinema 4D and Octane Render before enrolling. We don't provide complimentary versions for this course. I am so excited to teach you everything I've learned throughout my career as not only a motion designer, but as a director of photography. So if you're ready to take your work to the next level, contact us if you have any questions whatsoever about the class or the curriculum. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class.